Hi everyone, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, Pooja.
Hi, hi,
Hi, Pooja.
Hi,
hello,
ma'am.
hi. So, yes, uh, I think yesterday I have missed one topic, Traceroute, I guess. Okay, so I don't know how I missed, but I want to tell that. Apart from that, definitely whatever I said, now we have to discuss about his job and all. We will discuss about that. Okay. Before that, we'll take attendance and we'll start the class. Apart from that, anyone has any issue with respect to your notes, anything you are facing? Anyone? Not notes, topic. Anyone has any issue with the topic or
Not yet.
Divyansh,
Yes.
Swarna Lakshmi,
Yes.
Roshni there, Shiva there, Vishwa there, Balakrishnan, there, okay, Swaru, Papilash, Shamya there, Devegam, Amisha. I'll just read out name who are present. Okay, if anyone I have missed, please let me know. Divyansh, Swarna Lakshmi, Loshini, Shiva, Vishwa, and Niveta, Ahmad, Asha, Likita, Saranya, Charan, and Sirisha. I have not missed anyone, right? Okay. One minute. I will share that yesterday because I don't know why I have missed that, but I want to tell that. Then we'll jump into our important topic what we are discussing today. Hmm. I'm sharing my screen. Let me know. Visible, right? Okay. Uh, See, I don't know, but I have missed this. So I just want to tell after the class, I remember that I have missed this. Okay. So yeah. So Traceroute is something, which tracks the route packets on how the data travels. Okay. Example. This is a simple thing. There's no hands-on, but I will only tell what it is, and then I'll show on my terminal. You should type only two commands. That's it. Okay. See, that is IT, Traceroute is something, tracks the route packets on how the data travels on internet from your computer to destinations. Let's say, example, it is given here. This is your server, okay? Route 1, route 2, route 3, route 4. Like, let's consider this is bus stand. Our destination is this, okay? In the bus, there might be a group of people who might get down at the first stop. There are a group of people who might get down at the second stop, okay, like the third stop, fourth stop, but the bus will reach from here. Let's say there is one destination from Bangalore to Chennai, okay. So there is a destination after Chennai. Bus is not moving because last till Chennai only, okay, because that bus belongs to Chennai. Like it will, the destination is Chennai, okay. Same thing here also. There is a server A to B. In between that, let's say I am doing like ping command we all have used, right? So like that only here also, to check the network connectivity of your system at which level it is. So that time we use this route. Okay. Route means something which will direct you to which direction you have to go. Okay. Tracks the route packets on how the data travels on internet from your computer to destination. Okay. The only required parameter is the name or IP address of the destination or host. So here it is saying there is something called as I said, like, a traceroute IP, it will give you. Okay. So how does it work? We'll see. It shows the path that packets takes from your computer to destination, like google.com, and the hops it passes through router along the way. Okay. So it only, from which direction, from this direction to this direction, or which direction it is giving us the output. Why it is used? To diagnose the network delays or failures. If my system is not working, so our application is not working, to understand better like why, like where it might be, so any delays in the network, so that time we will use this. And to identify the connection is slow or broken is what, something which is paused, or it is not happening, waiting for a longer period. Whenever you download some packages on Ubuntu, if you do control C na, then in between the installation, it will give you broken packages, because you it was going on, but it you have stopped in between, so that is called broken. Okay. Something which is paused in between, that is called as broken. Okay. See how many hops means what, this routes, this is called hops. How many hops means route. Okay. It is there, that we will see. Okay. So we can see here, one minute. Ubuntu visible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, 1 minute, it takes little time. So now I'm saying trace. So you can see this, what it is showing, some broken, so many things it is showing, right? At this which IP it is there, what is the package and all, where it is, what it is, in series called. So this all is in the networking part. You no need to worry. But this is like something where you can see the hops, or you can see the connectivity. Okay. So we have other things also to check. Okay. Trace, route, google.com. So you can see after every minute it changes. See, bus it came into to the next destination. After every second or minute, it is going the next. Like it will give you the output, like where it is, why it is, which direction, which not direction. I can say which destination and all. So that time it was easy for us. See, now increased. When you go and do till here, it is there. Right. So these many second is required to reach from this till this direction. It requires some minutes, some seconds. Okay. As soon as we open our Ubuntu also, it takes some time to open, right? So it is saying that. Okay. So I said no, two commands only, nothing major in this. So I believe clear everyone. You got it, no? Like I missed one topic, so I want to tell that. Okay. Fine. First, I will tell what you have to do. Okay, what you have to do in the sense, what you have to do for your interview parts. First, I'll go with resume because that is the main part. No, so one resume, then Naukri, Indeed, and LinkedIn. Okay, these three profiles. And then if you get interview calls before and after during interview, and these are few things I'll tell. Whoever are experienced, then I think they already know, and whoever has fresher or somebody who has any doubts, you can just do it. Okay, so I'll be telling from basic till the end to end. I'll tell. Anyone has any doubts, I'll take up your questions. Okay, first 15 to 20 minutes I will be explaining the process, market, strategy, how it is there. Then you people have any doubts, you can ask me, then we can wind up the class. Okay, fine. Then I'll give vote of thanks for you people. Okay, okay, fine. Now example, let's say consider resume. Okay, I'll just go with the flow. What are the things are there? Okay, so initially what you have to do is, initially here whatever you give, okay, your details, let's say this is resume. Okay, and flow also I'll tell roughly. Okay, so you this year, top on the top, you should definitely give your contact details. Okay, contact details means what? uh, your mail ID, your password. Okay, and coming to mail ID, please give with your own mail ID rather than your friends or somebody. Don't give in shortcuts or something like that. Give it your proper mail. Some numbers, same mail ID will not be there, so that's fine. Give numbers, but with good numbers. Okay, don't give something which is weird numbers. Okay, So that is also very much taken care. Okay. See, I have take the insights from my friends who are HRs, and I have understood like how they take, how they select. So based on that, I'm telling. Okay. And a few of my students are from HRs, so I have asked them also like how is the interview process and what does HRs do actually. So based on that points, I have collected and I'm telling the insights. Okay, and it's up to you how you take and what you take. Okay, so I'm not saying this is 100%, but I'm saying what I have gone through. That's it. Okay. Yes. So contact details means I said mail, okay, and your phone number, that should be there. And then later you should definitely give your address also. Let's say you are searching for Bangalore, then give the Bangalore, whatever address, wherever you are, no, give mention that, okay. That also is taken care in the first, okay. And you should definitely give your profile pic. Okay, that profile pic is like, it should wherever it is, okay. Give in a very good way, okay. Your background, everything should be very light, white color, cream color, anything with a professional photo. Please don't go with some kind behind the tree, some flowers are there. That those things should not be there. Photo is recommended. Okay, it's up to you. Then how you take on it, it is good. Okay, if you give, then later what you have to do is first thing how the flow will work, right? So first you should definitely give your objectives. Okay, objectives means you should tell what you have, why they have to hire. And objective should not be very big. Okay, it should be 2 to 3 lines, it should not go beyond that. Okay, then what you have to do after giving objectives, no, you should give your professional summary. Okay, I'll come to everyone. See, everyone in the sense fresher and experience. Experience, you have already experienced, so you what it is. Fresher, already you have something to write, so you can definitely write. Okay, again coming to now, let's say DevOps or cloud, right? So you should make sure you should not lie, nor you should leave your DevOps. You should modify in that. Okay, example, you have taken DevOps and cloud from Besant. Okay, so you whatever you have done here, you can tell. Okay, coming to projects, I'll come back to that also. I'll tell you. Okay, our projects. Okay, I will give some time for you. So after 15-20 days, we'll connect back again for 1 hour. We'll clear the projects and all. It's up to you. So it's a time period I'm giving for you. Okay, that project only you can mention here. Like that, you have DevOps, you have cloud. For all those things, those projects you can mention. How you're mentioning, you can tell that you have done internships here, okay, and that you can take the help of management. Okay, I'm not sure, but we have that. Okay, so you can take the help of management, like telling that you have done internship for the one who are who are freshers and who are experienced one. Definitely mention the experience which you have, but there you should also mention your tools, DevOps tools, AWS tools, whatever, few things. Okay, few of the things you have to mention in your professional summary. Okay, example, how does it start with 6+ years of, you should definitely mention first years only. Okay, 6+4+5+10+ whatever years of experience with the designation what you are looking for. Let's say you are looking for DevOps or you are looking for a cloud, you should mention that. Okay, 6+ years of experience. Okay, and I am looking experience in whatever field. Okay, that you keep later. If it is not related to non-technical, then don't mention 6+ years of experience. Looking for what DevOps role. Okay, then give some description. That's what I'm saying. It should not be a lie. It should not be a you should not leave DevOps also, okay, or cloud. So you should write it. Take AI help. There's no problem. I should only write, and it's not like that. You have to definitely take the help of AI in the framing sentence and all. Tell them what is it, give proper prompt, and it should give the output for you. Okay, and professional summary should also be. It should not cross more than 4 to 5 4 lines, or max to max 5 lines. Enough. Okay. First is that. Second, what you have to do, you have to go with your skills. Okay, and what skills you are writing, you with let's say if you are into DevOps, okay, and AWS DevOps, write all the tools. Okay, don't only write DevOps. Okay, mention all the. Why I'm saying, because few, as I said initially, few companies only go with the terms. Okay, let's say Ansible, Terraform, and AWS. Rest all they don't want. Okay, like that. Rest of the company, vice versa. So you should definitely mention the tools name. Don't only like Git version. Some again HRs what they do, Git version. Okay, so sorry, control version. Okay, version control. So that time they will say VS code, they say. Okay, so not VS code, control version system. Okay, yes, SCM. Okay, kind of source code management. So that word should be there in your profile. Okay, example, version control. Then you write GitHub. Okay, like that you have to write like that, orchestration for Kubernetes and Docker, CI/CD, Jenkins, okay, configuration, Ansible. So you should write. See, as IAC infrastructure has code. Then you write Terraform or CloudFormation, whatever it is. Also, you should mention. Okay, those don't mention big things. What is that? I know this is. So that either they might ask EICD or they might ask Jenkins. That will come. How? I'll tell. Example, HRs are not that much aware of technologies, let's say, because they are into various fields. They are seeing for operation, they are seeing for everyone. So they don't know what exactly it is. They also have some test and all, they'll be working. It is, but 100% you are not sure, right? So what they do, let's say a manager is giving a profile. Okay, let's say for me, whichever candidate is required, I'll tell I want that person so and so things and all. Then I'll give to HR. And HR will search a candidate and give for me. Okay, so in the same way, you're also usually they give you the script or whatever it is. Okay, this things. Okay, they'll go and search in the Naukri key. This they will get a search. Okay, whoever is a top candidate, they will get a call. How to go to a top candidate, I will tell you. Okay, but your skill is the most important thing to give your resume to your HRs. So this is very much recommended. Okay. Next one, skills you did. Okay. All skills you have written. Then what you have to do is huh, skills, DevOps, AWS. Example. Okay. Like that, give so many things. Point, bullet wise you give or a series wise. Okay. Next, you can write certification. Okay. Certification, whichever you have taken in Besant Technology, you can mention that. There is no problem. Whatever you have given, right? Taken that course, you can mention certification. Don't mention year and all, just mention certification. That's it. Okay. Again, if they're a fresher, now only has studied, now only did, I don't want, it is that. So don't mention years. Okay. Only on the calls, if they say that time you tell. Okay. And then next, what you have to do is skills over, certification over. Then comes the project. Okay. With company. Okay, so let's come with a project with the company. Okay, let's say it is for fresh, experienced one. Okay, projects with the company. Okay, with projects with company. Okay, here again, what you do is you should also mention. So if you are targeting for DevOps and cloud, with respect to those tools, for a few lines, at least one or two, terminology should be there. Okay, so don't write very big sentence and all in sentence finds. No, very crisp and short. No HRs have that much time to read the sentences. So that should be very much taken care that what you're writing. Okay. So that and for freshers, then it is for them. Let's say you have not done anything, or you are from a very different background. And then you want to enter into DevOps or cloud, but you don't have concepts. So no problem. What projects you are doing here, right? The same project you should mention here, stating in Besant Technologies. Okay, and mention that internship and all, whatever you have written, that one. Okay, let's say company, right? Besant Technologies, and then whatever you're writing internships, that will internship, projects, project name something, web server with AWS, hosting with some or something, that whatever name you can give, that make short. Okay, one project, 5 to 6 lines over. Okay, don't write sentence, just go with bullet lines. Okay, that you do. Make sure this project you must be able to explain, because this project only on based on this project only your interview questions will be there. So prepare this project very well. Every term, what it is doing, everything. Okay. We'll come back. What questions, how questions. So projects happen. So we completed contact details, objective happen. Everything is divided. Okay. First objective, then professional, then skills, then certification. Then comes your project with your companies and freshers. I told you what you have to do. Then should be your personal details. Okay. Personal details, don't mention date of birth. Okay. So some company they ask, so that's fine. Again, okay. Why I'm saying, because sometimes based on age also it is judged. So better don't give. In case they ask, that time you modify and give, but don't give your what I can say, this what sometime marital status will be there. Sorry, whatever single or something there, that you can add, no problem. Whatever few details you can give, that's it. Okay, apart from that, not required. Okay, a few details you have, so you can give those personal details. Next is affirmation. Affirmation means what? Whatever you have given for okay, whatever you have given is correct. Okay, with seal, signature, and a date. Okay, let's say today you're searching for a job. Today's date you write. So the person will have, oh, this person is searching job from so and so date. They will have an idea. Okay. So you should be, let's say you should keep on updating. Don't keep 6, 7 months old dates and go with the latest one and search. Okay. For 3 months valid, no problem. You can do it. Okay. So like this, your resume should be there. Again, don't make very colorful resume, that black concept, that should not be there. Okay. Your resume should be simple, sober, clean, neat with white background. Use, whatever you have the format and all, it should be neat and clean. Okay. So don't write very, very, very large concept. Okay. Write it simple, crispy, very short. If you see short means one line also don't write. As a you are a DevOps engineer, go with 1, 2, 3 projects. 3 projects is enough. If you have experience, fresher, then go with 1 or 2 projects. Okay, so mention all those things. Okay, if you are targeting for DevOps, go more on DevOps project rather than Linux project. If you are into cloud, then go more cloud and DevOps. That totally fine, but mention those points. Okay, so these are the key skills you have to mention in your uh, resumes. Okay. So keep it in PDF form. Don't go with Word document or something like that. And JPJ, whatever those things should be very much taken care because the other person should must be able to access it and download. Sometime if they are pissed off and your resume is not downloading, then they will not take care. Okay. So that should be taken care. Okay. So far in resume, anyone has any doubts?
Ma'am, education details.
No, no. After education, I did not tell. After your this one, company name before personal details. Above that, you write education details. Again, education details. Sorry, I think morning I told. Okay, not here. So education details is don't give 10th standard, second PU, what you did, all those details. Give the latest, education what you did, like engineering did, whatever you did, mention that. Okay. So if it is from life science or something like that, then go with masters. Okay. Example, if it is MSc chemistry, MSc physics, don't mention physics in bracket, just mention masters in science. That's it. Okay. Because it's very much important for you people to get calls. Okay. Sometime based on the education also, it has been, now it is not there, but few HRs are there. Okay. So that should be taken care. Till your resume, I told, okay, how to apply job, that I have things. Till your anyone has any doubts?
No.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So now, first one, next one is what is required for us. As we have Aadhaar card, right? Like that, you're also LinkedIn is an Aadhaar card for us to become and to get to know what we have done, what and everything, right? So it's compulsory that you should have 500 plus connections. Okay, let's say how to get connections. You should not randomly pick people. You should definitely go with the community which you want. Okay, first thing, let's say DevOps or cloud, whatever whichever you are into interested into. Okay, mention that, let's say DevOps comma which company you are into, like Amazon. Okay, you want to go with Wipro, TCS, Infosys, whatever it is, right? DevOps comma that you will have a bunch of people who are from that company. Go and send them connections. Again, you cannot send connections, in a week there is, I think, 40 to 50. I'm not sure the correct count, exact count, but some limit is there. Okay, make sure if you have not done so far, prepare, work on LinkedIn, give proper details. What all you have to do, you should be 100% profile. Your photo should be professional. You're looking for a DevOps and mention that. Okay, open network. Okay, which is in green color, that one. And then skills, education. Okay, your past experience, anything, and that one. I said, right, like in Besant Technology you have completed. You mentioned that. Okay, in Besant Technology I have completed my Linux admin course and also administrative course, or whatever course you have taken, that you can mention. Okay, so like that, you have to do your profile active. Okay. Second, you should have 500 plus connections. In that connection, don't randomly pick, select from your community, as I said. Okay. How to select is you get comma, whatever things and all, you get an information. So do it accordingly. And then follow HRs, managers, seniors, whoever are there. If possible, try to talk in this and directly, give me job. I know I'm very much in need. That should not be that. Should, professional way, stating like, yeah, like so and so, just say hi, or whenever there is a birthday or anniversary, just, our work anniversary, send them message once, twice. If you feel good, then try to talk and simple. It should not be any personal thing. It should be direct to the point, stating, hi, how are you? I'm looking for so and so role in your company. If there is something, then please let me know. Again, you have a notification on your LinkedIn profile, all right? So stating that you have, you know, what I somebody connections. Let's say you have gone through some profile that there you have a notification stating in this company there is a what I can say, vacancy. That time, if the person is linked to you, then go and message him with the screenshot stating, see, this is a referral in your company, can you refer me? Okay. So a referral is very much important. Okay. So sometimes referral is really, really important. So you have to try. I'm not saying you should rely only on that. You should try from all 360-degree angles, and wherever, whichever pitch in, you have to enter. Okay. So that is first thing. So you should definitely scroll at least 1 to 2 minutes every day on your LinkedIn, because it show activeness for the HRs, like who are active and who are not active. So it's like that. Okay. See, some people say from LinkedIn only they get good jobs. Okay. Some people say there's no response. So it's like that. Okay. So based on people's situation and people how much they are doing. Okay. There are people who get good connection over LinkedIn. There are people who are not active. They say it's not like that. So it's up to us like how we are using the LinkedIn. Okay. So but LinkedIn profile is must. You should definitely prepare that. Okay. And please post as a request for everyone. Please post it and send the screenshot for us that you have completed your Linux in Besant Technologies. Okay. So it's a request. Please do that. So take your time Saturday, Sunday, but give me that. That is one. And second thing, what you have to do is coming to job portal. Right. See, LinkedIn is completely for connections, notification, HRs. There you get whenever hiring is there, HR mail and all. Send them mail. Again, don't send. Let's say if you are sending one person in the company, let it be. You stick to one person. Don't send to many people in the company, same company. Why? Because they get offended. I use like, who is texting us, messaging us so much mail and all. So that is very much taken, seriously taken. So you should be sure you send one mail one time to one company only. Don't send again. Let's say one HR is telling like this, there is job vacancy and all. Go with HR and finish it. Don't go with the managers, senior managers and all. Okay. Because there was story happened, so I am telling this. Okay, there was a person who message sent a mail for me. I thought like early morning, I said okay, I replied, then I'll look into it again. Then again he sent same thing to another person. Then he contacted me. Then I said no, he is the same person contacted me also. He sent to our CEO also. So you got it right. So we blocked him. Okay. So I was about to refer him, but all these things made me not to refer, right? So it's like that. So you should be very much cautious and serious, like what you're doing and all. So that is very professional. Okay. So that should be maintained. And let's say you get so many questions there, so many all professional world, you get everything there. Okay. So follow that and do it a good use of that. Okay. Rather than scrolling Insta story, it's good scrolling in LinkedIn. You get so much information and which will help you in career. Okay. So that is LinkedIn part. Next, which portal is good for to apply for job, right? So first is Naukri. Okay. Everyone knows that. Again, coming to Naukri, it should be 100% profile. All your details should be updated. Everything. If you're going with 15 days, whatever days of notice period, so give that and apply for the job. Okay. This one. Okay. And second thing is you have to go with the another portal, that is Indeed. Okay. So Indeed also gives you good thing, but good companies it gives. Okay. So try with that also. And then these are the two portals when you have to apply. Morning between 6 to 10. Okay. Max to max 11. So that there is no use of applying. So make sure you should apply between these time. Why? Because this is the time when HRs will open the laptop and see the mails and notification, who is applied. How your Naukri will take the profile is whoever is applying more. Again, it again I'll take how it will take a algorithm. They'll apply, okay, fresh, recently applied, it will show at the top in the dashboard of the Naukri, whatever they are doing, right? Recruitment Naukri board. So then they will pick up those candidates. Let's say DevOps, I got like, Kubernetes, I say, I got top 5, 10 people. Then I'll call them, I know it's a thing, work for them, so they will do it. Okay. How the Naukri will send the algorithm is, let's say you're applying for 15, 20 days. Okay. More than 70 plus jobs should be there every day, such that it will take you high. Okay. So how to apply, I will tell that, not to worry. Don't worry, but 1 hour you should dedicate definitely for that. Otherwise, it's not going to happen. Okay. So initial days it will be very boring, how and all, but as the days goes, you also will get to know what is the requirement of market, which skill is required in the market, what is that, what is salary, you do understand. Okay. See, no need to sit and see everything in depth. That much time you will not have. Okay. Because you should complete application in that period of time. Right. So when you apply 70 jobs in one shot, 1 day, you get 2 to 3 calls. Out of 2 to 3 calls, one call gets scheduled. Okay. And the two at once today apply today only, it's not like that. It will take minimum 15 to 20 days to pick up a Naukri telling ki this person is applying to me every day. So it's like that, okay? So because whenever you see there's one application, 1,000 people applied. So there's competition like that. So you understand, right? So that complication you should see. Walk-ins will be there. If you're interested, you can go walk in. If you don't want, then it's up to you. No problem. Okay. So yeah. So coming to Naukri, how to do? Open 25 tabs at once. Okay. Whichever says on company website, you keep it in saved option. Okay. So 1 minute, I will show you so that you will have an idea what I'm trying to tell. Hmm. So you can say this, right? Search your, I say DevOps. Okay. Your destination, whatever it is, DevOps. Okay. Go with DevOps. And here it is what it is. What it is more than 7 years, 6 years, whatever 6 years you give, okay, and whichever location you give, okay, and you give that and search button, okay, and whenever you have an option here called, okay, so this is save jobs, you can see, and when 2 days ago it has been applied, okay, let's say go and open with the 25 tabs, okay, like that you should go with what 25 tabs for what I can say, it one shot, okay, so go open that, okay, so you have an option like this. If it is there, go and apply. Okay. So some option it is applied. This work is done for you. And whichever job says on company website that you should do it later. Okay. They okay. I can see this here. This only, right? So company on website, right? You can see on apply on company website. You keep it for saved, right? Saved here you have an option called save jobs whenever you are free, right? Because morning time if you're wasting your time there, it will take so much time for you to apply. Okay, so go with easy apply, which I have applied. So like that, first shot 25, second shot 25, next 20. In that 20 will be company website all that all you save, leave, then rest all you start applying for a job. Okay, so this is a normal process which you can do. And then second thing what you have to do is I believe this you got right. Anyone has any doubts in this? Applying job on Naukri. Indeed, because Indeed take 5 pages something, but it has some information. There you target at least 20 to 25 jobs. Such that, okay. First day, go slowly, okay. Go with 20, 30 jobs. Second day, increase 5. Third day, increase 5. Like that, once every day you are applying, then you will definitely get hired, okay. So this is a normal process where you have to apply for jobs and you will get calls. Okay, you learn everything from every interview. You will learn something. One thing: don't get too much happy that you got called. Don't get too much disappointed that you did not get called. Okay, be neutral. Okay, and just go with the flow. But you must be 100% prepared. Your hard work will never go in vain. Whatever you are doing, it will definitely come to you. But the thing is patience. Patience is very much required. Sometimes you might give up stating ki I might not get. Okay, but that is the time where you have to be very strong. Okay, you will definitely get placed. And then if not the same company but other companies, okay, but you want that, then you should definitely do it. And that's what I say, right? You have to work hard. Don't lose patience. Of Keep going on. And then yes, so it's request for everyone. Whenever there is a chance, until and unless there is no offer in your hand, don't quit the job. Okay. Once the you have an offer, then only quit it. Okay. Because it's my personal suggestion. It's not like something like that. Because if you don't have job, it will create stress to your mind. If you have stress, then you cannot do the things what you are doing, right? So it's that. Okay. So you keep that in mind and you work hard and you will definitely get placed. And another thing, DevOps means not proper DevOps you get. Okay. You might be into IT. Okay. You might be into different roles, associate consultant, somewhat different roles. Okay, infra, whatever it is. Okay, AWS infra, AWS consultant, DevOps consultant, those things. Okay, so proper DevOps engineer is not like that. But your only concept is you should see what JD it has. JD means no, job description. In that, if there is a tools related to DevOps cloud, then please go ahead. Okay, so that should be the question. So you got it right. First, what we have understood resume, then which is the portal, why you have to LinkedIn, have to apply job, how many jobs you have to apply, and then how many like which time you have to apply, right? So that's the thing. Very late night is fine, like 5 6 p.m. also is fine. A.m. Sorry, but recommended between these six. You're not able to work up, no problem. Between and in this time period, 9 to 9:30 is a peak period, right? So you should keep that in mind. Okay. So this is the peak period I can say, and this is this is what I have done on a search, and I've researched on it, and I've understood. I have done some research on my resume only, what time I get called, when I have applied, because we have some calls and all right, when you applied and from when, like which company it is getting, all those things. I have recorded that. So based on that, it's not one day work. So many days. I have understood okay how the things will work, and based on some articles and all. So I have given all this. Okay, so it's not me saying, but I have gone through it. So I am telling you. Okay, that's what I'm saying. It's not up to me. What I felt and what I have gone through, I have written. Okay, and this is not saying you have to do it and all. No. Okay, so the concept is you should know. Okay, till now we understood how to do before applying job. Okay, sorry. Next, how to how to example, create your mail ID which is separate from your personal. Don't give your personal mail ID. Why? Because uh, you should definitely sit and clear your mail whichever you're giving for your companies. Few companies don't ask this one, what they don't call all over the mail only. Okay, so you should be very much active over the mails before 6 or 5 p.m. Just clear all the mails, be active on the mails, reply. Some they will ask only, give me this details. They don't get respond. Totally fine. Okay, this is a normal process. That's what I said. You should not be too happy. You should not be too disappointed that you did not get, nor too happy that you got it. Okay, so this is the thing. And then calls. Okay, number whichever you're giving, no matter where you're, what you're, how you are, just receive the call and attend the call. Talk to them. Whichever interview they say how busy you are. If it is very crucial, fine. But if it's possible, then either postpone your meeting, prepone your meeting, but make sure you definitely attend that interview part and do it. Okay, so that's what I say. No, interview is not all of a sudden. You should definitely prepare from day one so as that you understand their what they are asking, how they are asking. Okay, so that is the main part. And then in before interview, set up everything in a proper way. Don't get too much hurry, or for 5-10 minutes sit calmly so that you get nervous, right? Some people get too much nervous, and also for that drink water, sit 5-10 minutes before, check your connectivity network, everything. Okay, make sure you sit in silent area. We all know that, right? So do that, follow that, and make sure everything is on like everything is handy for you. Make down notes if possible. What example, write something. If you feel like it is good, write it. Just note. Okay, keynote. Don't write sentence. If they ask something, then even you heard or something which is valuable, then do it. Okay, in the interview, again, during the interview, first of all, your confidence is everything. Okay, second, the communication is very, very much important. Okay, the person has 100% technology, but he don't know how to communicate, then it's of no use. Okay, so both will work hand in hand. Technology and your communication is really, really matters more. So you have to definitely practice every day. See, few people have stuff full of knowledge, but few they are not able to express themselves, right? That too in technology is difficult. So you must be prepared in such way that other person should understand. Okay, try to explain your siblings, your parents, somebody who a layman language. How do you explain? So if you are very much nervous, try to explain them. Try to explain yourself. So that way, that's a regular practice you have to do. So don't during interview again, coming back to that point. Don't be nervous. Be calm. Speak as if you're talking to your friends. Okay, but be calm, obedient, polite. Listen to the interviewer what he's saying, he or she is saying. Then you reply. Don't talk in between when he is talking. And then be humbled. Okay, and don't tell or tell everything. Yes, yes, I know, and tell them later I don't know. Okay, that says that we are not obedient. So see, truth really, really matters more in the interview. Don't bluff there. Okay, tell that what if you know, then you know. If you don't know, then tell I am not aware of this. I have not worked on this. I will work if it is required. If it is required, this skill is required in this company, then definitely I'll work on this. Okay, that confidence should be there. So the opposite person, okay, he or she is interested in learning. Okay, so that things. And then later, whatever, if you know, tell yes. If you don't know, then say, sorry, I have not worked on. That's fine if you tell. Okay, but as I say, no, before preparation of JD, sorry, before interview, prepare some things. Okay, you will definitely get an invite link. You will definitely get a mail. The people who are there, let's say CC, something will be there. Among that, only some people will be there to be they. That person only will be an interviewer. So how do you check? You have to go that person's name, whatever company name and person name, go and search in LinkedIn, get the profile details. Okay. Let's say DevOps and cloud, and he's from software engineer. He's don't have any hands on DevOps on cloud. So you have a chance to impress him, stating that you know it. Okay. You're getting, no, this is a trick you should follow from the, these things. Okay. So you should do it. And let's say the person is very much, to six, might be 10 years, 14 years, 15 years, then finish, you are done. So make sure to that person you don't bluff. Tell you don't know, then I have to work on this. Simple. Okay. So don't lie and don't get disappointed. Tell what it is. Okay. But make sure be prepared from day one, and don't rely before night, before the interview, something like that. Practice it. Okay. So these are the things which you have to follow. And in the interview, whatever I said, right? Sit in the silent place and all. Do good. Whatever you know, tell. Don't know. Again, how to route him to you to tell ask the question, right? When you're introducing yourself, make sure JD related keys only you should able to tell in your things. Okay. Like I have worked so and so and all, some projects I have done, what you have done. Then he'll ask you, okay, what you have done in your projects, which technology you have used. Then tell, concentrate more on those technology which he has mentioned in the JD, such that he'll be more interested in that. Again, there you know Jenkins, you don't know Kubernetes, then don't open your mouth for Kubernetes. Just to tell you have worked on Ansible and AWS, this. You have to convince, okay? Then whichever topic you don't know, please don't even bring that in the interview talks. So your interviewer will decide to the question what you're telling, answer what you're telling, based on that only he will tell. If you are not aware, then don't tell about, don't that particular tell time you don't remind him. Again, other interviewer will be, they will start from Linux, AWS, then come with DevOps. Again, DevOps 5 tools they'll ask. You know Git, GitHub, then you know Ansible, then you know Jenkins, then you Docker, you know Terraform, then you know Kubernetes. Right? Very clearly tell this I know and this I don't know. Okay. First, demo means I have not worked on this. I will work. So this should be the convincing power for you to tell that how you tell the interviewer. So interviewer should have the confidence. If you say no, I don't know, I will learn, sir. Okay, sir. Then he will not be impressed. Okay. So this is a corporate world. We are not into government jobs. They will yeah, no, I will not do. You only do. It's not like that. Okay. We have to be very professional, and we should be very polite. We should be, corporate world is like that only. You have technology, then come. You have skills, then come. If you don't have, then please go. Okay, it's like that only. Okay, because we are into AI world, right? So we should definitely compete in the market like that. Again, never ever give up that you did not get. You will definitely get. Okay, your hard work will definitely come into picture, but the things is patience. Okay, whoever has patience will reach. Whoever don't have, they'll quit. Okay, it's up to you. So what I was saying, patience, huh? Again, how you should understand after the job, right? Let's say usually in 3 days you get an update. Okay, usually you get update in 3 days. Let's say you did not get in updates in 3 days. One time mail you can send to HR stating, please can I, hi, whatever this, through that only reply to all. Please may I know the status of my L1 interview, L2 interview, L3, whichever interview. Then tell. If you did not get reply, then don't sit rely on the job that you get it. Leave, ignore. Why HRs will not respond? Because I really fought with my friend that stating you people don't respond to the people, the person who is waiting for the reply response. They also have some restrictions. Well, from the senior managers, they say you should not reply to the candidate. Few does, not everyone. Few really respond, say no, try for the best, we'll do it, will, if anything is, they will let you know, like that. But few don't. Few HRs are not happy to tell no. Few HRs has that pressure from higher authority, you should not reply. Few keep it hold, if the other candidate is not working, we'll take up this. Okay, but 80% hold, not selected, don't wait for that, go with the next one. Okay, it's like that. So these are the things you will get. Again, these are rare cases. After 1 month, you get call. That is because it was on hold. Then you other person did not come. Then you are into this. Okay, okay. All this happened. You got one job also, and you are getting another job offer also. Here, how you should do? How you, let's say you got 15-16 lakhs here, and then you have to increase at least 2 to 3 lakhs here, right? So you have to definitely give proper. Don't think first. Don't only say first call you have offer letter. Okay. So first go tell everything when HR interview come. See if that time HR is calling and telling that time, okay, you can tell. Don't open your mouth and tell that you have offer letter in hand. First complete all the process. Once everything is done, they release an offer letter. That time you demand ki no, I have an offer letter. See if you're giving this, then I'll be joining you. Okay, increase 1 to 2. First, you'll go with 5 lakhs. Then no, he say no, no. Then go with 4, then 3, then 2, whatever it is, based on that. Okay, so you can increase. So offer letter is that. Again, don't tell I have already one job. No, why I offer letter? I should go with another. You have that plus point stating ki I see one of my friend had 5 offer letters. First, started with 12, then started with 15, then 18, then 20. He jumped to 4, na, 4. Then he went into the 20th, 20 LP. So, 4 to 5 years back. So it's like that. Okay, he was one of my senior. Like, it's like trick. Okay, so this is the tricks you should follow in your corporate world. You will be learning more once you are into that. Hmm? Yes. So again, this is all over, no? After interview and all, what happened, pictures, then everything. Let's say selections, everything happened. First day of your interview, sorry, your job and all, you entered into the company and all. First 3 months, make sure you don't tell anything. You don't involve in somebody's personal life, nor you enter into their life. Don't allow them to enter into your personal life because you don't know where you are. You don't know who is what, right? First 3 months, we feel honeymoon period, everything will be so good and all, but slowly, once you come to know everything in depth, it's everything very much toxic. Okay. See, few work culture will be really good, few are not, few are like favorism, few are like seniors will be there. Okay. So usually you have problem with your own team. Rest all team you be happy, right? So make sure you don't definitely not involve in the gossip. Don't tell anything bad about your seniors or your company or somebody who is into good position because that might lead you into very bad way. So better don't do that. Okay, if you want to do, go with your family member, somebody who is listening to you every day. Go and remove all your frustration to him or her rather than these things. Okay. So this is the thing. Once you are out of the office, don't think of office. When you are into the office, don't think of your personal life. So don't mix this both. If you mix this both, then you be in no you whatever your mama said, you go and remove to your colleague. Whatever colleague said, you come and tell to your siblings. So that should not be there. Okay. So this is my personal suggestion, which I say to everyone whomever I say. So this is the thing. Once you know after 3 months and all, you understand who is what and all, then you can trust people, whatever it is. Again, whoever is asking money, okay, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, 4 rupee, 2000, anything, please don't go with that job. It's fake. You are working and they are paying you. Okay. You can't pay. If you have money, then why you do job, right? For the money only we work, right? If we don't, we have money, we do business, and why do we go and work there, right? So it's like that. So this is very clear. Okay. Some people manipulate in different ways. Very good. They have convincing power. This would happen and all. Okay. So it's saying anything related to money, I will give money. You give me this much, I will give you this job. Don't do that. Okay. So especially companies, I'm saying, okay, 2000 they start, then go with 4000, then go with 10,000, then go with 20,000, then go with 50,000. Then life will be hell. Okay. So that frustration better don't take. Okay. So these are things. Now 7 minutes I have. I will take your points. Please ask the questions if you have. Sorry, I was fast because I have to complete everything in 1 hour. Okay, fine. If you're not
Ma'am,
telling, I will only tell. Yes, 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 Vishwa.
ma'am, I shared my assignments, ma'am. Go and check.
Yeah, sure. I need some time. Everybody's assignment, I will definitely reply over the channel. Okay. Again, the journey might stop here with Linux, but definitely I'll help you there if anything comes up with respect to your career. So I'll be there. Consider as a mentor or whatever. So I'll be there. Okay. So don't worry. So I'll definitely be guiding you if any doubts, if you have anything. So let me know. If I know, I'll tell no, yes. If I don't know, I'll
Thank you, ma'am.
redirect to somebody who can do it. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So apart from that, anyone has any questions? Anything to say? Ask.
Ma'am, interview questions.
Yes. So coming to an interview questions and projects, no, I will add in the same notes stating interview questions. All whatever topic we completed, all that I'll add. And the test which you can take it up if possible, take otherwise no test questions also I'll be adding. And then I'll be adding the interview question projects also. Okay. So yeah, coming to this, I'll be giving you 5 projects. Okay. Out of that, you people select one common project which is not happening. Okay. After 15-20 days of this, in the if somewhere in last week or third week of September, we'll meet again. So everyone, you till that practice, do it, whatever is there, do it. Why I'm saying for you people, when you do it, you have so many things to learn in between, and you have knowledge, okay, and you have troubleshoot part. Those things will come in between. Okay, so I'm saying you people do. Okay. So yeah, apart from them, any other question? Okay, fine. I'll tell out of thanks then. Okay. So I was very grateful for you. So all of you, then you really attended the class. You stayed for me 5-10 minutes. It delayed also. You did not tell anything. So I'm very happy, even though it was online, but you all were, most of them are regular to classes. Few have joined in between, but still you were very supportive. So I thank you everyone. So I don't know whether you have understood or no. Okay. Uh, but I believe and I assume that you have got it. Okay. But I was very grateful for you people to have a good batch, and the one who understood, you were very cooperative, I can say. Okay. So all those things. So thank you for being so kind and helpful. If anything is there, let me know. I'll definitely, that's what I said. Might be our journey ended here, but no journey. Our classes ended here. Our journey, it will be there always. Okay. So we'll meet someday if possible in the life. If no, otherwise no. I didn't see your faces, but if you see me anywhere, you can reach me out. Okay. Okay then. Fine. Anyone has any questions? See, last day of my class, no, I will take a picture. Okay, but no one is like, you people have not on the camera, so that's fine. I take the collections of my students and I keep it. It's like, collections. How everyone has collections like that. I have collections like, set of students. Okay, no problem. I took first photo. Okay. Anyways, yes, I'm there for you to listen for 3 minutes there. Anyone has anything? And as I said, give your feedbacks also, please. Yeah, that's it.
You did a great job, Pooja. Thank you.
What I didn't get, Asha.
I said you did a great. Yes, you did a great job.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So Monday we have a class or no?
Class ended. Today, that's the
Ended.
reason I have. Huh.
Okay, class. Okay. No, because regarding the CV, that's why I'm asking.
What's next, Pooja? What do we have on Monday?
I'm not sure. You can just check with Chandran because whichever course you have taken, no, DevOps, Cloud, based on that, whichever time is suitable for you, based on that, the class will be divided, I guess. I think Hina and Raghavi has.
And which course should I take after Linux now?
You are into
AWS,
which one?
Azure, cloud
Like,
computing.
okay, okay. So you first go with AWS. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
then, yeah.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Next, ma'am. AWS next.
See, again, if they offer you DevOps, then go with DevOps. No, then fine. Again, as I said, right, you no need to work on all the clouds. One cloud, be thorough in that. If you are interested in Azure, then you can go with Azure also. Okay, you can go with DevOps. First Linux completed, then go with AWS, then go with the DevOps if they give you. Okay, so as you are taking in cloud computing, so I think you have to go with other cloud.
Please, 5 minutes. Thanks, sir.
So,
Thank you so much.
yeah, welcome.
Thanks a lot, Pooja. At least we know
Thank you.
what about the Linux something. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you,
Pooja. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Sirisha. Thank you, Vishwa. Thanks, Ahmad. Okay, then Uh,
Yeah.